If your Android phone is lost or stolen and you're trying to recover it fast, you need to watch my video completely till the end, because I'm going to speak to you about this topic with a possible solution so that you may just get your phone back. So if you just do a Google search for recover lost or stolen phone, you could see that there are a lot of suggestions out here, with the genuine ones on top like CEIR, Find Hub and Sanchar, Sathi, or whatever departments are responsible for tracking lost or stolen devices in your location. You will also see that you have specific websites that portray themselves to be like a tracker or something on those lines, okay? Like Find My Phone Android, or maybe Where's My Droid, or FX Guru, or whatever it is. See, most of these applications would require the application to be pre-installed, and even if it doesn't, they would entirely depend on online services like Google Find Hub, okay, or map tracking. So there is no use of actually paying a fee now after your phone is misplaced. After your phone is misplaced, the best thing to do is get to Find Hub if you have an Android device. And these days, these guys also have an offline tracking feature. If that was turned on your phone, it is going to be easy for you to track your lost or stolen phone, even if it is offline. Right, so you log in to Find Hub using the same email address which was on the lost or stolen device, and then you get two options out here: devices or people. Select the first option, devices, and then select the device that you are trying to track. Okay, say supposing this is a device, and within a few seconds you are going to see the location of the device out here. If it shows, well and good, that may just be the current location. You could rush to the place and try and get back your phone, but if it doesn't, then that means that was the last location of the phone. Okay, so this information is something that you could give to the cops. So after you do a tracking out here, what you should do is get to the police station, file in a missing complaint, and keep an attested copy of the document, so that in the future, if your phone is recovered, your phone was misused, you are not getting pulled up for anything that went wrong. But when you're using Find Hub, you also have two other options out here. You could play sound, or you could even turn on secure and erase. If you select any one of these options, it may just help you to track your phone. If your phone is nearby, you click on play sound. Even if it is in silent mode, it is going to ring. Sometimes we put our phone in silent mode and we do not realize it's nearby and we think our phone is gone. Second option is turn on secure and erase. Now, you normally get this option if your phone has been offline for quite some time. Okay, you are not going to see this together if your phone was online recently. So if you just select this option, whenever your phone comes online, it gets connected to the internet, this is going to apply to your phone. Because if you check out the normal options that you see on a phone which has been online recently, these options are separate. Okay, so whatever the case may be, the best thing to do is, apart from filing in a missing complaint, you go ahead and try tracking it through Google Find Hub. If you are getting it through Google Find Hub, well and good. If you're not, I suggest you work with the cops, go to the police station every 2 or 3 days and ask them if your phone was recovered. Now, when we think about the cops, what thought comes into your mind? Let me ask you that. They're not going to help you. They're useless, right? But let me tell you this, that if you are a person who is pretty convincing, if you are a person who can speak well, or actually tell the in charge at the police station who is helping you in this case that it's a very important phone for you because you have a lot of important information for your family, maybe somebody's sick, you have their data and stuff like that, all the prescriptions and reports and all these things, then they are going to be in a state of pressure. Okay, then they have to go ahead and do something out of the box to help you. And let me tell you this, that where I am located in India, the cops are pretty helpful. This is the best and the fastest way. Don't go the other route of paying somebody to recover your phone or anything like that. I hope my advice was helpful. You got some value. If you did, give my video a thumbs up. Take care, my friend.